May pag-asa pa bang mabago ang proposed changes ng government regarding earned settlement in the UK?
Magandang araw po. To all our friends who may be affected of the recent announcement of the Home Office about the immigration rules change, specifically itong length ng settlement dito sa UK, it's normal to worry because it's likely to happen. It's just that hindi pa po specific ang proposal na ito dahil dadaan pa ito sa consultation sa public. Ano nga ba yung process ng proposal na ito bago maisabatas ang immigration rules change dito sa UK? As a UK employer, we also receive an email about updates in immigration rules. We also receive an invitation to complete an online survey katulad din po ng ibang stakeholder dito sa country. So, sino nga ba ang pwedeng mag-participate sa public consultation na ito? Ang consultation po ay magtatagal until February 2026. Regarding sa bagong proposal ng length ng residency or indefinite leave to remain in the UK from 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20, and even 30 years. Then, sino nga ba ang pwedeng mag-participate? Of course, yung members of the public and other stakeholders. Any individual or representative of an organization. Legal professionals, NGO, charities, academics and researchers. Of course, yung private sector and other businesses. Andyan din ang local authorities and the public sector. Yung ating mga union. And of course, yung people who may be directly affected of the rules change. Paano? Ito po ay available sa gov.uk via an online survey or feedback. Pero at the end of the day, ang last say pa rin dito ay ang government who will be implementing itong proposed change after consultation, yung law or yung batas kung ano yung i-implement na change sa immigration rules. And for this one, it is expected to be implemented by April 2026. Para po dun sa mga followers and friends ko sa page na to, magpo-post po tayo ng ibang information further sa proposal na ito. For now, it's not yet a law, but ito yung proposal ng government for consultation. So, maaring may changes. Depende, aabangan po natin yan. Maraming salamat po and happy weekend everyone.